thank you, Wolf Ugly at Blackbird on Pearl. Thank you, Bubba Blues, for being out there so you can get Tulsa's local music videos. That is, Tulsa's local music videos. You can go check that out to where you can see Tulsa's locals music videos around, where we try to get the best videos of local scenes. This is Isaac Burgess. Thanks for joining me. Bubba Blues News.